Welcome to Quiz 5, Perfectionism, Embracing Imperfection, for those interested in the INFJ personality type and self-discovery. Do you feel nothing is ever quite good enough unless it's perfect? INFJs often set extremely high standards for themselves. This drive can push you to excel, but also lead to stress. Let's see how much perfectionism plays a role in your life. Here are 5 statements. For each one that describes you, give yourself 1 point. I often spend far more time on a task than expected because I keep tweaking and perfecting the details. I sometimes procrastinate or avoid starting projects, worried that I won't be able to do them perfectly. When I make a mistake, I harshly criticize myself and feel like I failed. Even with praise, I focus on what I could have done better and struggle to truly accept it. I hold myself to higher standards than others, rarely giving myself the same forgiveness I'd offer a friend. Now, total up your yes answers. You should have a score between 0 and 5 points. If you scored 4 to 5 points, you have a pronounced perfectionist streak. You likely demand near perfection from yourself. INFJs are known to rank among the top perfectionists, often blaming themselves for not meeting their high standards. This mindset can lead to overwork, burnout, or even paralyze you into procrastination when achieving perfect feels impossible. While striving for excellence is admirable, nobody can attain perfection every time, not even you, dear INFJ. If you scored 2 to 3 points, you have moderate perfectionism. You care about doing things well and feel uncomfortable with mistakes, yet you can accept good enough on occasion. You might still double-check a lot or get frustrated, but you also know when to move on. Keep cultivating that balance. If you scored 0 to 1 point, you have low perfectionism. Either you've learned to give yourself grace, or you're naturally more easygoing for an INFJ. You take pride in your work, but understand flaws are part of the journey. This healthier attitude means less stress over outcomes. Perfectionism can be the INFJ's silent burden. You appear calm and capable outside, while internally you might be relentless with yourself. If you scored high, practice self-compassion. Remember, sometimes done is better than perfect. Try intentionally finishing a task and accepting it as is, even if not 100%. If you scored in the middle, maintain standards, but allow room for mistakes. If you scored low, celebrate that you can strive without the chains of perfectionism. Keep modeling that healthy mindset. Challenge your perfectionism this week. Pick a small project or hobby and set a reasonable time limit for it. When the time's up, consider it finished, no endless revisions. Alternatively, do something you know you're not great at, purely for fun. Learning to be okay with imperfection in low-stakes ways will build the muscle to handle bigger situations. By embracing your humanity, you'll find more joy and growth on your INFJ journey. Thank you for taking this quiz.